Hello YouTube, this is a continuation of our Stanley Adventure Series cook sets. This here is the all-in-one 2-bowl cook set. It's a 1.58 quart, or in other words, a 1.5 liter pot. And it has everything you need in it. It's stainless steel, heavy duty, good quality, as Stanley is known for. As a matter of fact, here in October 2023, this set goes roughly for about $40, depending upon where you buy it. Just search around and you can find this set at a less than $40 price, hopefully, by the time you look at this video. It's for 2 people. It is actually a very good set. It's for backpackers, ATV riders, car campers, things of this nature, even if you're on horseback. Now, granted, it's a little weighty. You put that in your backpack, you're going to know it after a little while. A lot of people want to go with the smallest type possible. But this here, for a 2-bowl cook set, stainless steel, heavy duty, it's great. It should feed 2 people too, because it's pretty good size. Of course, you look at the lid, ventilated, little plastic toggle. Sometimes if you want to put this in the campfire, this here will also heat up, and you have to replace this with the stainless steel key ring. Just put it on there and take this off, no problem. Take a look at what all we've got here in this pot. First of all, let's look at the pot. Stanley, typical locking handle setup. Measurements on the side. Real nice. Stainless steel. Good quality. Here's our 2 bowls that we have. Get these out. It's got goodies in there. Good bowls. Oh, incidentally, don't forget to wash all of these things prior to use, and obviously after use to keep everything clean. The 2 bowls. How big are the bowls? We never did use this set yet. And it's right here on the side. The bowls are 20 ounces each. It's pretty good size. Now, here's the lids for the bowls. These here you can use as cutting boards. Put your vegetables, your meat, your fish, what have you, and you can go ahead and cut that up. 2 of those. Now here, unique setup. You got a spatula and a ladle. They snap together. There you go. It's a good set. It will feed you. Stainless steel will take a beating. You can use it with any type of stove that you want. Also, something very important, if you didn't want to bring these, if you're just going by yourself, you could leave this stuff at home and then pack more gear in here. You could even leave this at home. Just bring your stainless steel forks or sporks or whatever it is you want to eat with, and you could put your stove in here. You could put some fuel in here. There's a lot of things you could store in there. So think about that. But for a 2-bowl cook set, all in one, all of this material, all of these pieces of high quality design, it's worth it. It will last you your lifetime, your children's lifetime, and your grandchildren's lifetime. A 2-bowl cook set by Stanley. It's well worth it. Thank you very much for watching.